the front brakes on this thing, they're just not even working, as you can see, engaging. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and do brand new calipers. Got these, well, refurbished calipers. Got these from AutoZone. They come with a lifetime warranty. That's the part number in case you need it. They look perfect, new seals, powder coated. I mean, they look great. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and swap that out. Okay, so we're almost ready to pull this off. There's two 19mm bolts that hold this whole caliper in. You don't have to worry about these because you're taking the whole brake off. And then this is a 15, and you always want to use one of these like closed, open-ended, but like a closed wrench is actually designed for this, so you don't strip that fitting. If you strip this fitting, then you got to replace the whole line. You have it all installed. As you saw with the line, I didn't have to use the T's because, and I've had to use them on the last time on the Pathfinder, I needed to do it on the Land Cruiser. However, here I just had to keep the line above, pointed up and above that bend right there. And you saw I probably dripped one drop out of the line, so that kind of keeps the air out of the system for the moment. Let's go ahead and get the other side done and bleed the brakes and take it for a test drive. Stay tuned. Beautiful daughter is helping me, and we're gonna go ahead and top this off and then begin pumping and bleeding the brakes. We're gonna go ahead and pump the brakes, and you're gonna use a 7mm and some sort of bottle to bleed the oil into. And what you do is you're basically gonna bleed until you see no more bubbles. Our brakes are done. Took everything apart, cleaned it, bled it, the entire brake system, new fluid, and now we're gonna go ahead and reassemble it and take it for a quick test drive. We'll see how she runs. And just took her for a test drive. Needed to be topped off with brake fluid, and yeah, stops on a dime again. So happy to have resolved that, and so now she's ready for the E30 meet later this month on the 30th. So I hope to see you guys there. Definitely bringing Debo out to that. That's the E30 meet. I mean, they accept other Euros too, but that main thing is the E30, so I hope to see you guys there.